Hello everyone, this is Arshid again and you are watching my YouTube channel Geeks Uploader. Today I will be doing a short review on Soundpeats QY7. I purchased these recently. These are in-ear sports headphones. I bought them at a price of around 1990 from Amazon. This one is a black edition and come up in other colors as well, like blue, red, etc. But those are a little higher priced. They will cost you around 2900 rupees or so on Amazon as of now. So I will divide this review in pros and cons. So let's start. So the box contains these are different sized earbuds. There are three sets of earbuds in here and hooks. So these are the hooks. Hooks are also available in different size. There are three different size of hooks as well, plus also a clip to clip your earphones to your back, to the t-shirt or whatever you are wearing by exercising. It comes with a carry pouch as well, so this is good. This is really sturdy and nice. And when you open this carry box, so you'll also get a USB cable. No plugs as such, but a USB cable you will get. And these are the earphones. So as you can see, and the wire is flat, completely flat. So these are totally tangle free. You can do this, but they won't get tangled. So this is nice. This is also great. So the body of the earphone is made of plastic, I would say. It's completely plastic, and it also supports Bluetooth 4.1. Hence you won't be having any troubles while taking calls over VoLTE. The device also has built-in mic, and these are the volume buttons. These are the setting button. You can use this button actually to set up your Bluetooth or to play and pause the music. And this can also be used to take calls as well. Beside this, these are the volume buttons. The volume buttons can be used to change the tracks as well as to change the volumes. Also, this can pair up to two Bluetooth devices at the same time, but you can only use one device at a time and not two devices at a time. So when you need to use the other device, you have to switch off one device and then use the other device. The Bluetooth reconnections are very instantaneous. I've been using them for past 3 days, and I do think that they are really good for their price bracket. So I will just start with the pros basically. So the volume is on these earphones are really crystal clear. The volume is in the highs and the mids and the lows. You can hear them really easily. And there is a decent amount of bass as well, but not a lot of bass. But the decent amount of bass for a Bluetooth earphone. The noise cancellation works really amazing. I'm really surprised with the noise cancellation. It cancels almost all of the surrounding noise, so you have to be careful while using these earphones not to walk in public, or even if you are using them in public, make sure you be aware of your surroundings, as it cancels almost all of the noise around. The microphone also works good for most of the time. I faced little issues in some of the calls while taking those calls, and there was an echo which could be heard by the other party, but otherwise in the calls were fine. The calls were really fine. The design of the headphones is really nice. These being an ergonomic in design, so these fits in here really nicely. But one thing that I would say that the size of these earphones, these buds, I'm using a small bud right now, but it comes with a medium size bud. These are still large as compared to my other earphones which I've been using, and these do create issues sometimes. Otherwise, I would say not that big of an issue, but yeah, these do create an issue. Also the hooks, so the hooks that have been provided by the company, these are in three different, let me show you. So these are in three different sizes, and these hooks, as you can see, these are two different sizes. There is one another. So these fit in your ears, and these fit really well in your ears, and so that these hooks make your earphones really stable, so they won't fall off very easily. I did around 5 kilometers running you wearing these earphones, but they didn't come off, so I guess and they won't come off very easily. Coming to the cons of the device, I would say these are, though they are made of plastic, they are still heavy, and they do feel a little heavy if you're not used to having a Bluetooth headphone, and you are used to having just ear earphones. These can feel a little bit heavy because of size. Also, they do take time to get used to it. Also, since there is no bass, not enough bass actually, I would say you can feel the thump, but it's not enough. Hence, if you like too much bass, or if you are a bass enthusiast, I don't think that you should go for it. You should probably go for a higher end Bluetooth earphone, or you can take for an in-ear earphone as well. Beside these earphones, beside all those, most of the cons are not that significant. Their pros are really nice. The sound is amazing. I've been using this continuously. It gives a battery backup of around 4.5 hours. It has a USB port, so it takes around 1.5 to 2 hours of time to completely charge. So the 4.5 hours is when you use it around 90% of volumes, but if you use it around 70, that would be enough as well. And I think 70% volume would give you enough battery backup of around 5 to 6 hours, I would say. So that's again really nice. The Bluetooth connection is amazing. I have used it over VoLTE. It didn't cause any trouble. So I would say if you want budget Bluetooth earphones for music and to have a sporty look, and which you can use in your gym or during your exercises, I would suggest these are really nice. They have really great volume and very good connectivity as well. Go for it if you are looking for a budget Bluetooth earphone. So if you like this video, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. If you have any queries, you can leave them in the comment section. I will be happy to help.